पळयताय बाबड्या हा भुरगो मुगो भुरगो
भुरगो जेवता खाता भरपूर
कितें जेवता खाता गो फक्त त्याच्या जिवाक पळय गो तो सुपान सारको जाला गंभीर
होय दुयेंसाची चड लाग केल्या देखून तो आमच्या माथ्यार बसला किर्यात तो किर्यात तुजो पूत न्हय चल रे घे सगळें साफ कर
म्हणजे तुमकां खबर आसा 24 जुलय 2014 ह्या दिसा टायम्स ऑफ इंडिया ह्या खबरापत्राचेर एक सेन्सस भायर सरलो आनी तो सेन्सस चायल्ड लेबराचेर जावन आसलो आनी त्या सेन्ससा प्रमाणे सुमार 10,009 भुरगीं जांची पिराय 5 ते 14 पर्यंत आसा ती आमच्या गोंयांत काम करतात आनी जी घरा घरांनी वचून काम करतात तांकां खूब त्रास सोडचे पडटा थोड्यांक शिकपाक भोक पासून मेळना
Anti child labor rally. So this is all over India. We are celebrating this year that no child should work as a labor or anything. Their right is education. And this rally is organized by our department, Women and Child Department, and Legal Service Authority. We have with us the Secretary of Legal Service, Judge Sayonara Lad. Here, so she is also part of this organization for organizing this anti-child labor rally today. Also, we are organizing many programs from Delhi to Goa also. Also, this is taken by many organizations. Judges, even Supreme Court committee is there. We have an honorable committee of High Court judges for development of child in the state and also India.
Member Secretary for Goa State Legal Services Authority, Sayonara Telislar. We have organized this rally today, a walking rally, along with the Department Directorate of Women and Child, and also the Goa State Commission for the Goa State Commission for Protection of Child Rights, and other various other child organizations who are fighting for the child welfare rights. And today we thought that today being the World Day Against Child Labor, we will have this rally to create more awareness in respect of the children's rights, their welfare, and that we should stop child labor. In fact, it is very shameful that small children are put to work when they should be given education and they should have a very happy and a very free childhood. So I hope that our rally today will send a message to everybody around us to stop child labor and to give children more freedom to see that the children are educated and to make a child a future citizen.
Throughout the year, how many child labor have you rescued or have you found any?
That is dealt by with the Child Welfare Committee and the State Commission for Protection of Women.
We have the Labor Department and they have a system. There is a officer specially appointed for this, and the Labor Department is conducting many inspections and audits. Around more than 300 inspections raids are conducted by the Labor Department, but till date they have not found any child labor except maybe 5 or 6 years back 4 cases were registered, but now there are no such cases in Goa.